What's up, home bartenders? A couple weeks ago, we made homemade Amaretto Liqueur. Now what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take that and we're gonna transform it into an Amaretto Cream Liqueur. We're gonna be making our very own Disaronno Velvet from scratch. Let's do it. I don't have a bottle currently of Disaronno Velvet. I did buy one a couple years ago around Christmas time, and it's absolutely fantastic. It basically tastes like Amaretto with cream. Hence the name Amaretto Cream Liqueur. Now, when I made caramel liqueur last year, I added 50-50 caramel liqueur and heavy cream, and it gave me the perfect butterscotch liqueur. So that's what we're gonna attempt here. We're just gonna take our homemade Amaretto and we're gonna add some heavy cream to it, and hopefully it gives us that signature flavor of Disaronno Velvet. I've got here heavy cream. This is heavy cream, whipping cream, some people might call it double cream. It's 35%, so that's what you want. And there it is, our Amaretto cream. It's that simple to make. Oh, that's nice. I mean, again, I would love to compare it, but I'm not gonna go out and buy a bottle of Disaronno Velvet because I really don't use it in much cream liqueurs. And if you can make it just by adding cream to an Amaretto, I mean, why would you go out and buy a bottle? Go check out the recipe for homemade Amaretto, add some heavy cream to it, and you have your own homemade Disaronno Velvet or Amaretto cream. Let's make a few cocktails. Okay, for this first one, of course, we have our Amaretto cream, we've got our homemade coffee liqueur, check out that video, and we have vodka. This is the Velvet Espresso Martini. This one's directly from the Disaronno website. So 2 ounces of Amaretto cream, or Disaronno Velvet if you're using that, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, and 1 ounce of vodka. We're gonna give it some ice, shake it up really good. And we're gonna serve in a coupe or martini glass. It is a martini, technically, sort of. So you can go ahead and serve in a martini glass if you have it. I've got a nice coupe here, and we're gonna garnish with 3 coffee beans in a classic espresso martini style. And there it is, looks really nice. Let's move on to our next drink. Next one here is kind of a tiki drink. We've got our Amaretto cream. We've got some aged rum using Angostura 1919 overproofed rum. This is the Velvet Fog. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our aged rum, Angostura. After that, we have 3/4 ounce of our Amaretto cream or Disaronno Velvet, 1/4 ounce of overproof rum using Plantation OFTD. We got some lime juice and finishing it off with some cinnamon syrup. Gonna give this guy some crushed ice. Give it a quick shake, just to mix everything. I'm gonna serve in a Poco Grande glass, but honestly, any tiki glass will work. We're gonna do an elaborate garnish here, some cherries, a nice umbrella, a festive straw. And there it is, the Velvet Fog. All right, we've got 2 cocktails using our Amaretto cream or Disaronno Velvet liqueur. So let's give them a taste, shall we? The first one here, this is the Velvet Espresso Martini. Wow, okay, so the coffee does come through very much. So that's a testament to my coffee liqueur. So if you haven't checked out my coffee liqueur video, make sure you check that out because that's an amazing liqueur on its own. The coffee, even though there's more Amaretto in here than coffee, the coffee liqueur is still front and center. So this is aptly named. You know, I'm very surprised. Aptly named an espresso martini, even though there's no espresso. But the coffee liqueur definitely comes through. This next one here, I'm really excited about this one because I'm really I'm torn because it's essentially a tiki drink, but it's got cream in it. Now at first I was like, oh my God, cream in a tiki cocktail? That's crazy. But then I thought, I'm like, well, you know, a lot of tiki cocktails have coconut cream, so it's not that far-fetched. I mean, it's good because it's rum. I love rum. It's very tiki. I pick up the cinnamon, I pick up the rum, I pick up the lime. Once again, the Amaretto kind of taking a back seat. The cream is definitely adding texture, but it's not adding much in terms of taste. I would almost prefer, you know, this to be coconut cream. Then it would be like almost in the vein of a painkiller, although it doesn't have any pineapple. I mean, this is a nice rum punch with an element of cream and a hint of amaretto in the back end. I don't want to say it's a bad drink. I just think that the amaretto is not front and center. It's not really being the star of this drink. I'm still gonna finish it because that's fantastic. It's a nice rum drink. I love rum cocktails, especially tiki cocktails. That's how easy it is to make your own amaretto cream, your own Disaronno Velvet. You can make it on the go. You don't need to make a whole bottle of amaretto cream. Just whenever you need it, mix amaretto with cream and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers, as always.